Ready to move your Bitcoin securely? Let's dive right into sending Bitcoin using the Binance app. First, tap the wallet's icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your crypto holdings. Next, select Spot at the top to access your Spot wallet here. You'll find a list of all the cryptocurrencies you own on Binance. Scroll through the list until you find Bitcoin, which is usually abbreviated as BTC, and tap on it. Now, you'll see options related to your Bitcoin. Select Withdraw to initiate the sending process. You'll now need to input the recipient's Bitcoin address in the address field. Double-check, triple-check this address. It's crucial to ensure accuracy. Copy and paste is best practice to avoid errors. Next, you need to select the correct network, which should be the Bitcoin network. BTC. Confirm that the recipient's address is compatible with the Bitcoin network. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send in the amount field. You can either type it in manually or tap Max to send all of your available Bitcoin. Note that there are usually minimum withdrawal amounts and network fees. Once you've entered all the information, tap the Withdraw button at the bottom. You'll be presented with a confirmation screen detailing all the transaction information. Binance will require you to complete security verification. This usually involves a code sent to your email or phone and sometimes your Google Authenticator app. Enter the required codes to confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin using the Binance app. Your transaction is now being processed on the Bitcoin blockchain. You can check the status of the transaction in your withdrawal history.